Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through how to find all the WhatsApp app shortcuts on your PC with the latest update. These shortcuts can make your experience faster and more efficient, so let's dive right into the steps. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Whether you're using the desktop version or WhatsApp web, this is where you'll begin. Once the app is open, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a menu with several options. From this menu, click on Settings. This is where all the customization options for WhatsApp are located. Once inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you see an option labeled Shortcuts. Click on it. Here's where the magic happens. The Shortcuts section provides a comprehensive list of all the keyboard shortcuts available for WhatsApp on your PC. These shortcuts are designed to help you perform tasks like starting a new chat, navigating between conversations, muting chats, and much more, all with just a few keystrokes. Take a moment to explore this list and familiarize yourself with the shortcuts that suit your needs best. For example, you can use Ctrl+N to start a new chat, or Ctrl+Shift+M to mute a conversation instantly. If you're using a Mac, similar shortcuts are available with slight variations in key combinations. By learning these shortcuts, you can save time and navigate WhatsApp like a pro. It's especially useful for those who spend a lot of time messaging or managing multiple chats. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you now have access to all the WhatsApp shortcuts on your PC. Make sure to practice using them to enhance your productivity and streamline your messaging experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.